welcome back to another video. Today it is part two of building the gigantic cabinet thing. Here's our box, as you can see right here, that we finished in the last one. And so we're going to have a quick review of all the pieces that you need for this. So, okay, I'm going to stop that now. Okay, so let's get all the pieces set. On your marks, get set. Not go, I'm leaving. So, the tools you'll need for this is a hammer and a screwdriver. Philip's head. Okay, so just gonna put this back. This was from the last one, the box. So that's a cool trick. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back again. Stay. Okay, done. Stay. Done. Okay, so screwdriver and a hammer. So this is what we get out of it. We also get this. You get a white thing to go over it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start. Stay. With this giant one. Yep, this giant one. So we're going to be, you can make it vertical or horizontal. I'm making it horizontal. Okay, got that. So, ooh, it's cold. It's actually really cold. Okay, so what you are going to do next is the most important, most diabolical. Wait, what are we gonna do next? Is it a straight through? So, turns out that it is a straight through hole. And we need a screwdriver for the straight through hole. So, what you want to make sure when you're putting this on is not to do that, hurt your foot, is that when you're putting it on, if you're putting it on like this, then you need to make sure that this part, this white part right here, not this part that is tiny, this part is facing you if you're doing it. So you always need to make sure that if you're doing it this way, then it needs to be pointing that way. Yes? No. That was the thing my dad made up. Teaching skills activate. So, I'm just gonna scooch that over. And I just did the thing I just said not to do. it is right there, so you don't really need a screwdriver after all. Turns out you don't need a screwdriver. Whoa, God no. So, I'm just gonna Yes. Okay, so a little tip. So you're gonna take this black piece right here, and you're going to take this piece right here. You're going to slide it through here, like that. And then it's used to turn, keep turning. Turn, and keep turning. Turn, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. So, I'm gonna get one of these screws. And then, like I was saying, I'm going to put it in here. It's going in just like that. Okay. I recommend you twist it in all the way through this piece of wood first. And that's what I'm going to do. There. So, okay. So, you're gonna twist it in the hand first for a while. I wasn't twisting it the right way. Okay, so, and you're gonna twist it this way. This way. Because I just remembered a YouTube video is like a mirror. So imagine if you were looking in a mirror and you saw yourself pointing this way. Or you can just follow what I do. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I mentioned it in one of my other videos. It was on fixing a bike, I believe. Okay, so you're gonna keep twisting it. I'm gonna be back when I'm done twisting.